Who would you rate as the most stylish couple in Bollywood?
Saif and Kareena, Ajay and Kajol. I think they're very stylish.
Actually मैं कभी सोचा नहीं इसके बारे में कि गुस्सा जब आता है तो क्या करता हूँ. Basically आपको बताना चाहिए कि ये किसके बारे में हो रहा है प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस. आप यहाँ खड़े खड़े रहिए.
मुझे अच्छा लगा सवाल सर.
मुंह से पसीना आ जा रहा है, उनको रोकिए.
अच्छा, खुद के अलावा आप किसको मानते हैं सबसे ज्यादा फिट और फैशनेबल इंडस्ट्री में?
अच्छा, आपने जोर से बोल के किसी को बोलने ना दे. Salman is very good. I mean, he has his own fashion trait. Shah Rukh is good. They have their own way of showing their fashion.
एक स्टार अपने लुक से हमेशा यंग लगता है, चाहे वो सलमान हो, आप हो या कोई भी स्टार.
हो सकता है कि उसकी वजह हो. क्या वजह हो सकती है?
As a couple, what is it that sets you and Twinkle apart from the rest?
I don't know. I've never thought about this kind of a thing. What sets apart? I mean, we just live our life very simply. अरे वो अपने काम में मशगूल है, हम अपने काम में. हमने 2 फिल्में की, दोनों नहीं चली. क्या बात करी? चाचा, उससे फैशन का क्या लेना देना यार? तू जोकर आ रही है, उसके बाद वो बहुत सारी और फिल्में आ रही हैं, उसके बाद तुम और भी चीजें पूछ लोगे. For me, Once Upon a Time is the movie which I'm going to start.
Recipient of many titles, Khiladi Kumar, Hero #1, to name a few. How does it feel when Star Week has declared you and Twinkle as India's most stylish couple?
To be honest, let me give all the credit to my wife. Fashion and style is something you inherit from your parents, and I would say let me be honest that I have inherited fashion from my wife. So that's it, and so I'm thankful to her that whatever this whole thing is all about is all because of her.
This I've noticed is very casual, okay, and yet it's retained its style quotient. Honestly, how did this photograph happen? Did it just happen randomly?
मैं आपको सच बताऊं कि actually this is from my personal album. This photograph was actually, few days back a photographer had come, Mr. Burman. He has actually clicked this photograph. And I had told him to just click this photograph for my personal use. He just saw it, and so these kind of moments, stylish moments, just come. You cannot just actually try and pose for it. It just happens, and that's exactly, if you see, we're not even looking at the camera, and it just happened. So, and it actually goes so well. Even I didn't realize it. It was such a well-clicked photograph. This is all about the stylish moment. That's all.
Okay, people say personal style is all about attitude and persona. Do you believe in that too?
Well, I think fashion fades, and style is always there. It's eternal. It's always there with you. So that's what I feel.
पहली बार जब मैं किसी मैगजीन के कवर पे आया था, वो था स्टारडस्ट ही थी. एक आदमी जिसने ज़िंदगी में कभी सोचा नहीं था कि इतने बड़े मुकाम पे पहुंच जाएगा, उसके लिए एक मैगजीन के कवर पे अपनी फ़ोटो आना बहुत बड़ी बात थी. मुझे याद है कि व्हेन आई वाज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट फॉर माय स्कूल, एंड आई रिमेंबर स्कोरिंग 38 runs, and for the first time my name had come in Times of India, and for me that day was the biggest day. And you can imagine once when I saw myself on a cover of a magazine, a film magazine, so how happy I must be. So it was that was the time.
As a couple, what is it that sets you and Twinkle apart from the rest?
I don't know. I never thought about this kind of a thing. What sets apart? I mean, we just live our life very simply. I think that's the best thing I could say. That is the only thing which we lead our life, which is in a very simple way. We dress up very simply. So simple is the word which is, I think, which takes the whole thing away from a lot of other people.
What is that one thing you like and dislike?
Well, I like something which is truth about myself and something which is not right and which is just a gossip and made up thing, story. I don't like to read.
Who would you rate as the most stylish couple in Bollywood?
Saif and Kareena, Ajay and Kajol. I think they're very stylish. Yeah.
अक्षय, खुद के अलावा आप किसको मानते हैं सबसे ज्यादा फिट और फैशनेबल इंडस्ट्री में?
अच्छा, आपने जोर से बोल के किसी को बोलने ना दे. Salman is very good. I mean, he has his own fashion trade. Shah Rukh is good. They have their own way of showing their fashion. I think you cannot say that the fashion matches with each and everybody. But they have their own ways of showing it. So I think it's very difficult for me to just say one.
एक स्टार अपने लुक से हमेशा यंग लगता है, चाहे वो सलमान हो, आप हो या कोई भी स्टार.
हो सकता है कि उसकी वजह हो, क्या वजह हो सकती है? मैं सच बताएं तो हम योगा करते नहीं. Inner satisfaction. वो क्या मतलब होता है भाई? उसको कोई उसने भी कहीं पढ़ के बताया. मैं ये नहीं कहता कि meditation, yoga, working out, and all these things are not good. They are very good. But for me, I don't do yoga. I don't meditate or anything like that. But you'll never find me getting angry. If people who know me, I never get angry. Very rarely is the time that kabhi mujhe kabhi gussa aata hai. The biggest thing for that is, and to have a good life is helping other people. This is one reason which can make your life and your face एक रौनक सी रहती है जिंदगी में. सुबह उठ के आप एक चीज सोच सकते हैं या रात को जब सोने से पहले आप ये चीज सोच सकते हैं कि आज मैंने किसकी मदद की. I think you can achieve something which is even meditations can't achieve. And that is what I feel, and that's what the reasons I think a lot of actors must be doing that, and a lot of people must be doing it. मैं जो भी magazine होती है मेरे घर में वो मैं पढ़ता हूँ. ऐसा there's nothing like particular that I read. I have lots of magazine coming to my place, and obviously Stardust has been one of my favorite magazine, and I read that. अरे वो अपने काम में मशगूल है, हम अपने काम में. हमने 2 फिल्में की, दोनों नहीं चली. क्या बात करी? She left it because she herself says that मुझे acting बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. I'm leaving, I'm going, and that's why I'm getting married. Why you want to drag her back here? चाचा, उससे फैशन का क्या लेना देना यार? तू जोकर आ रही है, उसके बाद वो बहुत सारी और फिल्में आ रही हैं, उसके बाद तुम और भी चीजें पूछ लोगे. For me, Once Upon a Time is a movie which I'm going to start. It's not a sequel for me. It's a movie which it's a character which I'm going to be. It's going to be a new character for me. So I wouldn't call it a sequel to myself. Yes, Houseful 2 is a sequel. And at the moment, that's the only one. Well, it's called Speedy Singh. It should be releasing on 30th of September. Well, I feel good about it. It's great. All the credit goes to the fans and the people who've been watching my films, and you media who have put me to this pedestal. And so I could do something this large in life. I could never imagine to be signing Ludacris, Rob Lowe, Camilla, and Rob Lieberman to direct the film. So it was a big occasion and a big thing for me. That's it. Thank you very much for that. Actually, मैं कभी सोचा नहीं इसके बारे में कि गुस्सा जब आता है तो क्या करता हूँ. Basically, आपको बताना चाहिए कि ये किसके बारे में हो रहा है प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस. आप यहाँ खड़े रहिए.
मुझे अच्छा लगा सवाल सर.
मुंह से पसीना आ जा रहा है, उनको रोकिए.
Thank you so much, Akshay, for being with us.
Thank you very much.
And we love the picture on Star Week, and we wish you and your wife the very best.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.